English for Iraq, 6th Primary, Activity Book, page 72 and page 73. Unit 6, Lesson 1.
Write the words under the pictures.
1. Bake.
Bake.
2. Grate.
Grate.
3. Spread.
Spread.
4. Wash.
Wash.
5. Add.
Add.
6. Slice.
Slice.
7. Mix.
Mix.
8. Peel.
Peel.
'Match the verbs to the phrases.
1. Spread the butter on the bread. 2. Peel the onions and the potatoes. 3. Add some oil. 4. Wash the vegetables. 5. Slice the onions and tomatoes. 6. Grate the cheese. 7. Bake in the oven. 8. Mix everything together.
Match the verb to an item.
A. You slice with a knife. B. You peel with your hands or with a knife. C. You grate with a grater. D. You mix with a spoon. E. You bake in an oven. F. You spread with a knife.
Choose the correct verb to complete the sentences.
A.
Slice the tomatoes into thin circles.
B.
Bake the cake for 45 minutes in the oven.
C.
Peel the potatoes and throw away the skins.
D.
Spread the honey on the bread with a knife.
E.
Grate the cheese before you put it on the macaroni.
F.
Mix the onions and tomatoes together with a spoon.
Correct the spellings.
A. Bakes.
Bakes.
B. Mixed.
Mixed.
C. Slice.
Slice.
D. Wash.
Wash.
E. Peel.
Peel.
F. Spread.
Spread.
Read and circle the odd word.
A.
Apple. Orange. Cherry. Potato.
Potato is the odd word.
B.
Saucepan. Knife. Fork. Spoon.
Saucepan is the odd word.
C.
Bread. Tomato. Cucumber. Onion.
Bread is the odd word.
D.
Face. Hair. Wash. Hands.
Wash is the odd word.
E.
Grate. Cheese. Slice. Peel.
Cheese is the odd word. Look at exercise 4. Write the odd word next to the sentence below.
A. It's the odd word because it isn't a fruit. Potato. B. It's the odd word because it isn't a vegetable. Bread. C. It's the odd word because it isn't a cooking verb. Cheese. D. It's the odd word because it isn't a part of the body. Wash. E. It's the odd word because you can't eat food with this. Saucepan.